In this episode, we are going to talk about education in Papua, which is still difficult to access in some area. We will also discuss whether a long school hours until the afternoon are really effective for students.
Yes, because education is something very important for everyone. However, not all students in Indonesia receive the same educational opportunities, especially students who live in a remote area like some part of Papua.
And besides talking about education access, we also want to discuss another issue that a money student expensive, which is long school hours. Some students finish school at around 2 or even 3 p.m. So is that still effective for learning?
To help us discussion this topic, today we are joining by our guest speaker, Karin. Hello Karin, thank you for you being here.
Hello Nancy, hello Tia. Thank you for inviting me here. I'm really happy to join this discussion.
Alright, let's start with education in Papua. In your opinion, why is education still difficult to access there?
In my opinion, one of the biggest reasons is geography. Papua has many mountains and remote areas that are difficult to reach. Transportation is limited, so students often have to travel very far just to attend school.
So, some students cannot easily go to school every day.
Yes, that's true. Some children have to walk for hours in the gym, being tired before class even starts. That situation can definitely affect student motivation and learning experience.
That sounds really challenging. Besides transportation and distance, are there another problem?
Yes, some schools still have proper facilities. For example, there are schools with limited classrooms, not enough books, poor internet access, and even changes of teachers.
I think internet access also become a big issue during online learning, especially during the pandemic.
Exactly, while students in big cities could study online more easily, many students in Papua struggle because internet connection were weak or unavailable.
That create educational inequality between student in city and student in remote area.
Yes, even though every child deserves the same opportunity to receive quality education.
Why do you think education is so important?
Because education helps people improve their future. Through education, students can gain knowledge, skill, or better opportunities. In life, education can also help reduce poverty and improve communities.
So, bicycle education is not only about studying subject at school, but also about creating a better future.
Yes, that's right.
Now, let's move to our second topic. In Indonesia, many students finish school around 2 or 3 p.m. In your opinion, is that still effective?
Personally, I don't think it is always effective. By the afternoon, many students are already tired physically and mentally.
I agree. Some students start school very early in the morning around 6 or 7 a.m. That meant they spend almost the whole day at school.
Yes, and when students become tired, it becomes harder for them to focus and students listen.
So even if students stay longer at school, this does not guarantee better learning.
Exactly. Long study hours do not always mean effective learning. Quietly is more important than quietly.
I think a money student also lose concentration during the last subject of the day.
That's true. Some students become sleepy, exhausted, or less motivated by the afternoon. As a result, they may not absorb information properly.
And students also need time to rest after school.
Yes, rest is important for mental and physical health. Students also need time for family, hobbies, sport, and self-development.
So maybe schools should focus more on effective taking method instead of simple adding a more house.
I agree. A shorter but more focused learning system could sometimes produce better results.
So, what solution do you think could help improve this problem?
For education Papua, I think the government should improve transportation, school facilities, internet access, and teachers' distribution in remote areas.
And maybe more school trips and educational support programs could also help students there.
Yes, definitely. Support from both the government and society is very important.
What about the issue of long school hours?
I think school should balance academic learning with student. Well-being learning should be effective, not cast.
So students can stay productive without feeling too tired or tired.
Exactly.
Alright, from today in discussion we learned the education in Papua still face many challenges, expansion in terms of access, facilities and quality.
And we also discussed that long school hours are not always effective because students can become tired and lose focus.
Hopefully, education in Indonesia can continue improving so every student can receive fair and quality education.
Thank you so much to our guest speaker for learning us today.
And thank you to everyone who listened to our podcast. We hope the discussion was useful and interesting.
See you next time!